Draw and correct. Hello friends, today I'm going to draw a unicorn table lamp. Now let's start. First I draw a short line to define the head. Then I make a long straight line in the middle. Draw a rectangle for the bottom. Make the head of the lamp. Make a little curve. Draw 2 lines for the holder. Draw 4 curves. Now we draw 2 ears. Then draw a horn. Then I draw some diagonal lines for the details of the horn. I draw 2 curves for the eyes. Make curls to add some details. Draw a power cord. Draw with a pen over the pencil lines. Then I use the fine line pen to draw details. Color time! Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!